get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful sunny day and today we're heading out on a moto trip to the outskirts of Chiba. I've been wanting to escape the busy Tokyo streets for a while and Chiba's countryside is perfect for that. So gear up, hop on, and let's go for a ride together. As we roll out of Tokyo, the cityscape slowly gives way to open skies. The highway ride might not be glamorous, but it's part of the journey. There's something about that moment when the tall buildings fade and the air starts to feel cleaner. It's like freedom just opens up in front of you. Now we're officially in Chiba. Look at the change already. Rice fields on both sides, gentle hills in the distance, and hardly any traffic. This is what I love about riding here. It feels like Japan slows down.
My genie is also happy. Right, genie?
Check out that old farmhouse. Chiba really holds on to its traditional charm. Alright, let me show you this, just look at that view. Chiba's coastline is underrated compared to Kanagawa, but honestly, it's so much more peaceful. Perfect spot to just relax, take some deep breaths, and recharge before the next stretch. Sometimes I think these little breaks are just as important as the ride itself. Ah, this curve, perfect lean angle. That's the thrill right there. Back on the bike, cruising through these smaller roads. This is where the magic happens. Winding turns, green tunnels of trees, the kind of riding that clears your head completely. Just arrived at this beautiful. Look how cozy it is. The atmosphere here is so calm, I could honestly spend the whole day relaxing.
बहुत ही अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है so we have to book 1名
お席ご案内いたしますね。
はいदेखिए आप एम्बियंस देखिए आप इस रेस्टोरेंट काありがとうございます
これがお部屋としてまでお持ちいたします。
ありがとうございます ओके सो ये मेन्यू है बड़ा ही खूबसूरत सा मेन्यू है यहाँ का ये मेरे लिए नहीं है
アロハご来店ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます
しばらくお部屋失礼いたします。
ありがとうございますありがとうございます
ご注文お決まりになりましたらこちらのメールでお呼びください。
ありがとうございます、So this is the menu.
Here's a peek at the menu. So many tempting choices.
I just ordered
From desserts to coffee blends, everything
normal
looks
menu
handcrafted
which is
with
not
care.
having any meat or something. Maybe I'll just go for salmon.
And here it is, the food I ordered today. Doesn't it look amazing? The presentation alone makes you want to take a picture before even tasting it. The flavors are just as good as they look, fresh, balanced, and so comforting. Honestly, this is the kind of place that makes you slow down and enjoy every bite.